Hi everyone, today's goal is to rewrite and use literal equations and formulas. A literal equation is an equation that involves two or more variables. A formula is an equation that states a relationship among quantities. It is a specific type of literal equation. When you are asked to solve an equation or formula for a given variable, you do the same thing you would do when you're solving an equation for x. Your answer is going to look weird. You're going to think you're wrong, but you're probably going to be right. Working PEMDAS backwards is usually the easiest way to do this. However, there will be some times where this is not the case, and we'll do some examples of this in class. If I was to do it on the video, it would probably confuse you. So your basic steps that you'll be following most of the time is that you're going to undo the addition or subtraction first, then you're going to undo the multiplication or division, undo your exponents, and then finally undo your parentheses. Again, these are just guidelines. They're not written in stone. Here's an example if we want to solve for x. Y equals 2x plus b. We want to get x by itself, so we're going to subtract b from both sides. And then we have y minus b equals 2x. We still need to isolate x and get it alone, so we're going to undo the multiplication by dividing both sides by 2. So x is going to be equal to the quantity of y minus b divided by 2. Here's another example of problem types you may get. Solve the equation for y, and then find the value of y for each value of x. So here's your equation on the left. X plus 3y equals 7. And the values for x that you need to find y for are -2, 0, and 1. So the first thing you're going to do is isolate the variable y. And we're going to do this by subtracting x from both sides. We get 3y equals -x plus 7. And then we're going to divide both sides by 3 to isolate the variable y. So y equals -x plus 7, all divided by 3. Your next step is going to be to substitute in -2 for x. And here we get y equals the opposite of -2 plus 7 divided by 3. The opposite of -2 becomes 2 plus 7, which is 9, all divided by 3, and your answer should be 3. Substitute in 0 for x next, and you get y equals 7/3, or 2 1/3. Our final one, you're going to substitute in 1 for x. -1 plus 7, all divided by 3, is equal to 6 divided by 3, which is also equal to 2.